This is a 6139 7060 from 1976. Yeah, June 76. This is it's an old restoration of mine. I probably serviced this watch more than a decade ago. Further back than that, perhaps. This is one that I actually took back in trade from the original owner on another piece, and so he had me relume the original dial and hands because the lume was bad. So this watch is relumed. The rest of it, though, is original. I mean, in terms of underneath the dial, specifically, is what I mean. This bit of the minute chapter is still a light orange. You see a little bit of fade on the sweep that we've got here, this sweep hand. But the dial surface is in great condition. The silver printing is lovely. The case has had a light but good repolish, but it's been repolished. You can see that it's been brushed and cleaned up and that the case lines are slightly blurry. I don't know. Let me get a thing. Hang on a sec. Here is our movement, which we can see is running. This is long enough ago. I'm not sure what's up with the mainspring arbor ports, because back this long ago, I didn't have a supply of uppers, and the lowers I had were very hard to find. It's possible that this has a metal bushing in the lower mainspring arbor port, because that was something I was able to do at this time when I worked on this. I didn't even mark the case back. Crazy. Any case, movement is intact, it is functional, it resets to 0, it runs. I don't have any indication of what the numbers are like or how they are or anything else. The case has been rebuilt. This is a new crystal, or a newer crystal. It's not the original crystal to the watch. It has a few little marks in it. Indicator ring turns through 360 degrees, as it should. Stem is complete and original. French English day wheel. Looks like we've got a little bit of a misalignment on the day. If you wanted to have this serviced, we could certainly talk about that. I would assume for certain that it needs it. Okay, thank you so much, and you let me know.